See, yesterday we have seen how to use strings index, okay, slicing. Everything we have seen, and yesterday I have given an assignment also. What is that assignment, ma? We have to reverse the given string using for loop. The same thing I explained with using while loop, ma, but I have given the assignment as for loop. How many of you done, ma? Only I have received only one assignment, ma. I reviewed and sent back to him. So today first I am going to solve that first assignment. Then after that I am going to explain the remaining part, ma. Remaining part, right? See, ma, all these things are yesterday we have seen, right? Here I have given that assignment is how to reverse a given string, right? Before going to the start next session, first we will see how to reverse the given string using for loop. Actually, I think his name is Sai Chandra Kiran. Okay, he did that, but he printed in the same line. Suppose I have given elevate, right? Suppose ABC is the input. They have given CBA in a single line. But what I asked you to print each letter in a separate line. That is my requirement. Okay. I'll show you how to solve that problem. See, first you need to read one string, ma. You just read one string from the input, right? A is a string. You need to read from the keyboard, right? After that, first you need to find the length of the string. What is the length of the string? First find the length of the string. Already I said yesterday, what is the function you are going to use to find the length of the string? Yes, ma'am. What is the function you need to use to find the length of the string? Exactly, length, right? So length is a function. It returns how many characters in the given string. But you know very well, it starts with -1, right? Means it's -1, right? Next, so for I in range. Generally, remember one thing, ma. Remember one thing. If you want to print the reverse order, what you need to do? Should take that the last index. What is the last index? L is the last index. You repeat up to 0 index, right? So you just take that 0. 0 means you have to take the -1 and -1, ma, because it is the process of reducing. Decrement process means 5th index, 4th index, 3rd index, 2nd index, 1st index, right? Normally how to go through in the 0 to n-1, but here you need to come from n-1 to 0, means decrement process. That is why I need to mention the -1, right? If you take this print of the first index, a of I, right? Let us see, is there any error in this program or not? First we will see that any errors are there. See, my input is ABC. Wow, I got the right answer. Only what I did here, generally when we are talking about the ranges, ma, I explained everything, how to reverse the given range, right? Here, if you observe clearly, please notice here this value is -5, right? So ABC is the input, right? So when the ABC is the input, so what is the L value, ma? So L value is 3, right? But you going to -1, right? L value is 2. After that, when you perform this operation, L value is 2. So we have to repeat -1. So -1 means what it means? -1 means so 0 to n-1, right? Generally the process is. But in the reverse order also, it doesn't take that -1. -1, minus 1. So we have to take the plus 1, right? So 0, it prints up to 0 means before minus 1. What is the before minus 1 value? 0, right? Means it repeats 2, 3, sorry, 2, 1, 0 index. When it comes to minus 1, the condition goes to fail mark. The condition goes to fail. The condition goes to fail. Is this clear? Is this clear? So that is why got that output is C, B, A. Is this clear, ma'am? Is this clear? Right? This is the way. So the question may be they may ask in the different ways. How to ready for the each and every pattern. Each and every pattern. Okay? Is this clear? Please respond in the chat. Is this clear, right? If you have any doubts, just ask me in the chat box. Okay, na? So don't hesitate to ask, ma. So very few members are responded in the assignment, ma. So it is very bad, right? So if you want to learn, you should attempt the assignments. If you attempt the assignments, definitely you can learn the concepts, right? Now we'll start the second part of the strings. See, strings are immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? What is the meaning of immutable? Please note this is a very important bit. What is the meaning of immutable? So immutable means we cannot change. Only we have read-only access. Read-only access. We don't have any permissions to change the string. Okay, is this clear? Strings are immutable. We cannot change the strings, means the string data. Let us see one example. Is attempting to use the operator on the left side of assignment with the intention to changing the character string. Let us see. Suppose in the greetings hello world is there. The greetings hello world is there. Now I need to change H with J. See what I'm going to do here. Greetings of 0 equal to 0 means 0 means this is a 0 index, right? Yesterday we have seen this is the 0 index, this is the first index, this is the second index. What I'm going to do, greetings of 0 means H address will come. In this process, what you are going to do, you are going to change this H. See what happened. String object is not supported the item assignment. The reason behind that is the strings are immutable. Means you don't have a permission to change the strings. You don't have a permissions to change the strings. It is called the immutable. Sir, how I can do the same thing? If you want to do the same operation, what you need to do? You need to remove the H, right? You need to remove the H, and you need to place J here in place of H. So how I can do? What is the processor? Is there any processor? Is there? Yes, there is a processor. But you need to create a new string. See, let us see. New greetings of J means is a new string. I mean, this is a new variable. It is a new variable. Please note this. This is the new variable. What you are going to do? Concatenation. Please refer the previous videos. We already discussed how plus operation will work in the Python. The plus is like it performs on the integers as well as strings also. It's a concatenation operation when you perform on the strings. It is the addition operation when you perform on the integers, right? Here J you are going to add for which one? Greetings of 1. Greetings of 1 means, so yesterday we have seen slicing operation. Slicing operation means cutting. What I cutted here? I cutted with 1. I started with 1 and ends is nothing. I didn't mention anything means. So 1 means it started with first index. What is the first index? H is the 0 index, E is the first index. Means you are slicing operation from here to there is no end, right? So it is going to cut all the string, entire string. Okay, it comes to here. And what it is here? J plus cutted string. What that? It comes to J hello world. Sorry, jello world. Not hello, because you remove that one. Remove that one. See, is this clear? Is this clear? If you want to changes any thing in the strings, you should use slicing based operations. It doesn't support the direct changes. It doesn't support the direct changes. The reason behind that is strings are immutable. Please note these, strings are immutable. In the Python, you make the question strings are immutable. Is this clear? So I have received one question. I'll see that. Concatenation means it is used to combine the one or more words as a one complete word writes. No, it is not like that. It is what means whatever. Suppose I want to mix with that something extra, ABC. Then what happened? So finally it comes to ABC also, right? So each and every string is the first part, second part, third part. These are the parts are going to add. These are the parts are going to add. Like that, you need to perform concatenation operation. You need to perform concatenation operation. Is this clear? Is this clear? You need to perform the concatenation operation. Okay? Yes. Next, looping and counting. Now, my task is to count how many what it is called characters or how many words are there in a given string. For example, you have a large string is there. Otherwise, you have a document. In the document, you need to find how many times the particular word is arises. If you want to find that, you need to use the counting operation. Counting operation. See, program to count the number of times letter A appeared in the string banana. How many times A is appeared in the banana? This is your task. This is your task. How you are going to solve this one? How you are going to solve this one? By taking the one loop, you are going to access by letter from the string, letter by letter from the string, and you compare with the letter, and you are going to count. You are going to count. See, count equal to 0, and this is your code. It's your code. Sir, you just used there is a finite loop. Means if you refer the for loop, I explained or I taught that the process of retrieving the letter by letter from the given word. So what happened? See, here word means banana, right? Banana, right? Banana, right? So when you perform for letter in word means the first time it picks B from the word. B from the word means initially B equal to A. Condition false. When the condition failed, it comes to here. Again, the next time automatically your letter is your goes to the next letter. The next time letter is comes to A, right? A equal to A. Yes, condition true. The count value is goes to 1 because the count value is initially 0, right? The value is goes to 1. The next time it comes to again. So A is over, right? Next it goes to N, right? N is equal to A. Condition false. When the condition false or condition fails, what happened? Again, so C value is remaining same. Again it comes to here. Again letter. So N is over. Again your interpreter comes to here. So next retrieving the A, right? So next time A is equal to A. Condition true. Then when the condition true, it needs to perform increment, right? C value is goes to 2. Again. So when it comes to here, again it will get the N value. So N n value, right? So n is equal to a. Condition false. This condition is false. This condition is false. Only one, two conditions are right. Next time again the last letter is a, right? A is equal to a. Condition true. When the condition true, c value is goes to 3, right? The reason if you print this count, you will get the data is 3. You will get the data is 3. Is this clear? Is this clear, ma? How the for loop is going to access letter by letter, and how you are going to count the given letter or given word in a given sentence. Given sentence. We'll see how many words are there also. So I will explain when we are going to the hands-on problems. Okay, is this clear? Next, in operator. In operator. See, in operator is used to find that actually. So generally, what you use a equal to. So a is the letter is there or not in the given string. Or suppose ban is a word is there or not in the given word. For example, you need to find your roll number. So you have a big document or big array is there. In this array, I mean, suppose the results are released. Okay, you need to check your roll number. So if you want to check your roll number, you need to go to the each and every one. So not like that. Suppose your roll number is 2. 2 in the given array list, then it returns true. It returns true. True. When your roll number is appeared. Otherwise it returns false. It returns false. Is this clear? Is this clear? See, the word in is Boolean operator that takes two strings and return true if the first appear as a substring. See, let us see one example. A in banana. Yes, A is there, right? So it returns true. Seeds in banana. Seed is a string, right? Seed is not there in banana, right? See, false. False. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. Now we'll go to the assignment. So this is the assignment you need to perform tomorrow. Your task is to generalize the thing, means using functions, but we didn't discuss about the functions, right? We didn't discuss about the functions, right? So instead of that, what I'm going to give you. So here what you did, you are going to find that how many words are there, how many letters are there in a given string, right? Your task is the same thing using while loop. You just solve the same thing using while loop. I solved using for loop, right? You just vice versa. Just use vice versa. You just perform while loop. While loop. Is this clear? Is this clear? This is your task now. This is your task, right? Let us see what are the things we will learn today. We'll just go through the IDE and we'll practice. See, we have one string is there, right? We have a one. We'll just take one string one. S equal to yes. Can I use the double spaces? Is this any issue? Here, I have a, so you don't, okay, 1 minute. Hi, how are you? Raju, right? Hi, how are you? Raju. Okay, this is your string. This is your given string. My task is hi, how is you? How are you? I need to remove R. Remove ARE. I need to remove R I need to insert is in place of or. That is my task. Okay. Okay. See, my task, what is my task means here, I need to remove this or. Need to remove this or. I need to place in place of or is. Is. Normally, this is not possible with the strings. The reason is strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. Right? Strings are immutable. How I'm going to solve this one? How I'm going to solve this one? See, here if I print here his print yes, see what is the result we will get it here. Oh, why I got this error? Exactly, I used capital letter, but here I used small letter. That is the reason it generated an error. Right? Now it is clear, right? So my task is I need to remove ARE from the given string, and I need to place is in place of or. Right? That is my task. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a small one more string s1 s1. First, I need to find the where r started. See, for that reason, I need to find that how many letters, what is the index? See, it's a 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, A index is 8. So, R index is 9. E index is 10. Right? Right? So, I need to remove this one. Okay? Means, I need to slice this string. Slice this string first. See, if I use s of initially, so from starting to up to 8, right? Up to 8 means it prints up to space. After that, what I need to do? I need to include is, right? Is, right? After that, what I need to do? How to start E, right? E is 10th, right? So I need to start with 11th letter. 11th letter, right? So that's all. See what happened here. What will happen when you perform the same operation? See what I did here. S of so starting letter to 8, right? 8 plus I'm going to use is, right? Plus s of what is the starting letter? 10, right? Plus, right? If you print s1, sorry, capital S, right? S1. See, what is the result here? Where I did a mistake? Where I did the mistake? Somewhere I did the mistake. Where? Anyone? I'm getting E also, but I don't want E. So what is the E index? 10, right? So when it is at 10, I should use 11, right? 11 is the space, right? 11 is the space. Now it's perfect. Now it's perfect. Strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. You don't have a permissions to change the string. You don't have permissions to change the given string. That is the reason. You should use a new variable to perform these operations. Okay, is this clear? Now the next task. Already we have seen one thing. What it is called? How many letters are there in a given string? How many letters are there in the given string? Using a small loop, you just repeat that one. You will get that. But what I ask you, using while loop, you perform the same operation. That is your assignment. That is your assignment. Okay. Next, we are going to see how in operator is going to work. How in operator is going to work. See, I want to check the Raju is a string, right? Is the Raju is there or not in a given sentence? Okay. See, for example, print, print, print. Yes, Raju, right? Raju in yes, right? See, if you execute this code, yes, it's true. Raju is there. Raju is there. For example, sir, can I write here instead of capital R, if I write a small r, what it will return? Let us see. You just whatever doubts you will get, you just go and try it in your IDEs. Okay, na? Definitely, that is required to learn something. If you question yourself, then it's enough. Then it's enough, right? That is the first step to learn the things. So it's a case sensitive, right? Always the small and greater is different. So what happens if two or more? In operator, the work is there or not? That's all. How many are there? That is not in operator work. Should use a separate function. Now you don't have any function, you need to use a count operator. Here your task is you have seen what is this, what you have seen? You need to count how many years in a given word, right? But my task is I have some big word, suppose one 10 sentences are there, 10 line sentence is there, 10 line sentence is there. But task is to find how many how many given words are there, given words are there. Okay, na? Need to find how many given words are there in a given sentence. Okay, have a 10 sentences are there. In that sentence, for example, how many times are is appear in the given sentence? Given sentence. How many times are appeared in the given sentence? That is your task. Okay. Tomorrow you need to solve this problem using tell me, using while loop. Okay, so if you didn't solve this problem, I'll explain by first 10 minutes about this problem. Again, I'll go to the next part. Tomorrow we are going to finish the strings. So two more topics are left for this strings. Okay, tomorrow we'll see. If you have any doubts or anything, try to approach in the chat box, and please comment on my videos and try to share. Okay, so you people are asked me, that is the reason I am going to start again the live classes. So most of them asked again the same thing, same repetitions are going on. So most of them still they are not attending. So as your per you, if anyone is there, and also my request is please share your groups regarding my channel, and if you are like it, if you only like it, you just share in your groups as well as your Facebook pages. Just post on my channel regarding. And so very soon I'm going to start the Wipro training also. I hope if you are in the third years, it is very helpful. Okay, so anything please let me know in the chat box. Definitely I'll help you. Okay, thank you very much. So anything please let